Hello, I'm in a 2014 Honda CR-V, and today I'm going to show you to reset your oil life. So as you can see, while the car is on, it's got this little wrench symbol, and you just got an oil change. Right now the vehicle's all the way on, and I have it toggled to that with these options. But for this, you're going to on it off, and then flip it to the accessory on position, but not the vehicle all the way on. If you have a push start, it should be just a couple button pushes without the brake pushed in. But now that we're that far, again, it's already on it, but you'll toggle to the oil life, and then we'll press and hold. And then in a moment, we should see it start to flash. Now we'll let go and then push again and hold. And then in just a moment, we'll see it reset to 100. All right, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and hope you have a wonderful day.